So we have been sitting here on the beach. As you can see, it's so bright and sunny now. Well, it's gonna get there, but we've been sitting here since dawn and watched the sunrise. And now again, we're just hanging out here, just doing a little work. He's on a call. We're just really enjoying this beach life. So of course, we're just gonna do a little bit more filming here and doing some work, and first thing we're going to do is have some ube pancakes, so we'll take you there. The journey continues. They got a Hawaii duck tour just like in the city we have back at home. Hi, aloha! And by the way, we are on Moana Boulevard, which is the main street highway that connects to H1, which is the freeway. So that's where we're at. Wanna keep going straight? That's my man! Palm trees. Palm trees makes me so happy. I don't know why. It does.
But it was
this is the mall,
so
Moana, where you can buy designer things for a really low rate. Only because the Hawaii state tax is a lot lower than California. And P.S. I love YSL, and that was the first designer store that I went into, and they happened to be 20% off, like the whole freaking store. Who does that? Only in Hawaii. We're gonna come here tonight. It looks so yummy. It's so Japanese-ish and so cute. And they have like Hello Kitty stuff. Look how cute this is. Great. And they have Hello Kitty telephones, I believe, over there. Hello. You have a surprise for me. Wait, say that again. I couldn't hear you. Oh, you're here? So I told her to call me if she happens to come out to the side of the island, because she's at North Shore. Okay, we're trying to find this ube pancake place, and I don't know where the hell it is. Oh, right here, Yougurstory. Oh, this is where we want to be. They open at 7:30. Okay, you gotta ring a doorbell. We're gonna eat everything in the world. We're gonna get some coffee first. Yes. Oh my gosh. The ube waffles, honey. That's what we want. Good.
Thank you so much.
very heavy, a lot of coconut. This was the macadamians, and this macadamia latte is good. Did you enjoy the breakfast, honey? Okay, get back to your high life. How did you like the breakfast, honey? It was delicious. That ube was really good.
I'm ready for a nap.
Yeah, I'm ready for a nap too, but I'm glad at least we can walk off our food. Alright, now to our scooters. I'm getting a tan just walking here. Can I send you to buy me something while you're there? Are you gonna hit the designer shops?
Yep.
I am so full. Look how beautiful this is. Clear, breezy today.
Beach.
Oh, this morning? Yeah.
I was showing them the beach. We're like, oh my god, there's not a cloud in the sky.
No, beautiful. I'm so glad we went down there this morning.
Yeah.
We should try.
I got that footage.
We should try to do that again. Well, we gotta see a sunset. We got the sunrise. We need the sunset.
We can do the sunset, but we have to do it from the lagoon.
Major construction stuff going on here in Hawaii. They got all these cars that are not really cop cars, but they got sirens and these lights on them. Look at this Tonka truck right here. We're just trying to cross the street. Look at these people, guys. They still have them, and they have beautiful flowers on the side. We got this yellow car that we're renting today. You want to check it out? Yeah, right. We're not getting this thing.
One more thing. Please, don't use the side stand.
Okay. Use the middle one?
Yeah. Look at this one.
Yeah, you can tip it over.
Yeah,
yep.
Easy. That's right. Look at here.
Yep.
So please, when you park somewhere, like this.
Okay, sure.
Center stand.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, well done.
Also, don't forget English on, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then always high beam, please.
Yeah.
Always high beam, yeah?
Yeah.
Aloha Stitch! This is our third time back in Moana Mall. As you can clearly see, we're pretty addicted to this mall. It's a 4 or 5 story mall. It has high to low end stores all in one, which is so cool. And it's an outdoor mall. This is just one end of it. There goes my store right there. Ici Laurent. Yes, we are going back here for the designer wear and clothing. Bougie, but this is what we do in here. Well, that's nice. I don't have any. We just finished eating at Leonard's for a snack. It was alright. I don't know what the hype was about, but the custard was good. But it just tastes like a Chinese sugar donut-ish. But it was something that we wanted to try here, so we marked off the list. And now we're about to hit the beach. Maybe not, because we need to find some coins. What are we gonna do? Finally going to the beach. It looked like a complete lion head. Well, kind of am. Good morning from Hawaii. I say that all the time, but we are in Hawaii. This is actually our last day here. So I'm waking up again super early. No sun, just a whole bunch of birds chirping. our Starbucks at our tower in the Kalia Tower is closed. So I'm gonna go into the main building and see if they have the bigger Starbucks open because Mama needs some coffee. I'm not sure if we're gonna come out for the sunrise, but we're gonna come out early and just kind of walk around, have some breakfast, do some last minute shopping, and literally today we're just gonna be at the beach all day. It's a beautiful pond. Of course you can't see it, but it's like so pretty. Look at the fishes. I guess I'm not the only one who's up this early. There's a lot of people up this early. But yesterday it seemed like we were the only ones up this early. Yesterday was such an amazing day. I definitely feel truly thankful and blessed to have gone on this trip, take some time off with my husband. We probably got some sand in places where it wasn't supposed to be in. We definitely got burnt. We're still gonna try to get burnt again today. We did a lot of shopping, so it was really fun. We're just so exhausted from the heat because the heat really takes a toll on you. Where's other Starbucks? They are closed. I guess I have to go back to my Starbucks. They don't seem to be open yet. Okay, I'll just take you guys around. This place literally is like in a resort itself. If you plan to come to Hilton Hawaiian Village because you guys don't have a car or you guys don't want to explore too much or just want to stay here because everything is in one place, I highly recommend this. What we need to do is buy some local coffee beans because I do want to bring some home. Some really good strong ass Kona coffee. And I also want to get some macadamia syrup because, oh, Blackbirds, ice cream, and coffee. Because, oh, it's ooh, Kona and chocolate. Oh, shit. I think this is where we need to come down here later. So on this side of the resort is closer to where our tower is. And there's like a lot of shops here. I mean, they have ABC store there, they have one here, but there's a lot of shops here you can buy things. Oh, check this out. They even got a Louis Vuitton. You can't really see it. Okay, I guess we're gonna do some more shopping since today's our last day here. And then tomorrow morning we need to wake up and head out to the airport because we are flying out around noon, which takes us back home by 9 p.m. and got work the next day, weddings that weekend or this coming weekend, so it's going to be busy. I'm hoping I can sleep on the plane to get some rest because I could never sleep on the plane. And one thing here, everybody is so super friendly. Every time we're here in the morning, everyone's just like, good morning, aloha, good morning. It's just like so sweet. I love it here. We definitely could live here. We were talking about that, but we definitely need to come back. Ooh, Starbucks is open. We definitely need to come back more often and visit.